Ever wondered what a single spoonful of honey can do for you every day? Let's dive into the sweet science. It's not what you expect. Day 1 to 3. Immediate reactions. On days 1 through 3, you'll notice a quick burst of energy about 15 to 30 minutes after your spoonful. Your taste buds wake up to honey's complex sweetness, and your pancreas responds with a mild insulin release, gentler than pure sugar, but still effective. Week 1. Gut and immunity boost. By the end of the first week, raw honey's natural. Prebiotics are feeding the good bacteria in your gut, so expect less bloating and smoother digestion. Plus, those antimicrobial enzymes help soothe minor throat irritations, keeping you feeling clear and strong. Week 2. Energy and cravings. 2 weeks in, you'll find your energy levels more even throughout the day. The blend of fructose and glucose in honey gives a steady fuel release. Goodbye, 3 p.m. slump. And because honey's sweetness is more complex, those sugar cravings, they start to fade. Week 4. Long-term body changes. After a month, you might notice a natural glow to your skin. Thank the antioxidants and antibacterial properties at work. Your lipid profile can improve too, supporting healthy cholesterol levels. And don't worry about weight gain. 1 tablespoon is only about 64 calories, so as long as you count it, you stay on track. So there you have it. Gut support, smoother energy, clearer skin, and immune perks, all from 1 little spoonful of honey each day. Ready to give it a try? If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more simple health hacks, and comment below how your honey experiment goes. Thanks for watching. Stay sweet, stay healthy.